front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Now pick a date by clicking on the chosen one and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Over here, you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, add a title, change color, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Go back, take notes, invite people, choose location, and even pick starting hour or ending one. When you're ready, choose save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always click on it and then tap on it again in order to edit it. Tap on this pen icon, make your changes, and just save one more time. You can also tap on it, but this time delete it by tapping on the pen icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on move to trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!